Going on, guys? Today we're gonna have another installation video for our Jeep Gladiator.
Today's installation, we are going to be installing the KB VOODOO high-rise crossbars for our Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. This is the only Tanui cover friendly rack out right now for the Gladiator. We will need more space for our gear and still have the security of the Tanui cover. Since we already installed our Tanui cover, we have to backtrack and remove it in order to install the crossbars. What's included in the kit are 4 risers, 2 crossbars, comfort grips. Since we don't have the trail rail, we have the no-drill hardware kit, and there were no instructions sent along with this kit, so we'll try our best to figure it out as we go. And by looking at the hardware we got, it looks like we're only using 2 tools, which are the 9/16 deep socket, extension, and a ratchet. Now you're going to be taking your riser and placing it on top of the bed.
It doesn't matter where you put it as of right now because you could always adjust it forward or back. So as of right now, just put it on top of the bed. So now get your clip. The short piece is on top, the longer piece is on the bottom. So we're just gonna go behind that, just like that. Take your bolt. Grab your washer and grab your lock nut and just screw it in. So this is the only thing holding your high-rise bracket. It's just this clip. But if you have the trail rail, then you have more options to where to bolt it. But for us, we don't have the trail rail, so we're gonna use the clip. Go ahead and tighten this bolt. Tighten it to where it doesn't pull on you. Alright, so now take another clip, put it onto the front. Same thing, get your bolt, get your washer, and put your lock nut on. So that's how you install the high-rise. Keep that step on each high-rise you have.
We just finished installing all 4 risers, and we adjusted them to the length we wanted on the bed. Now it's time to install the 2 crossbars. Now take your crossbar and place it on your risers, like so. Now you take your comfort grip and place it right there and screw it on. Do that to both sides. Now you're going to repeat the same step for the second crossbar.
Alright guys, so there you have it. Now we're gonna put on our Mopar Trifold cover and see how it looks. Alright, the crossbar and the cover. So obviously it's gonna hit it when you try to open up the cover. That's why I got the comfort grips, so you could just take this off, take the crossbars out, and you could flip your trifold cover. So now we got room to put, a rooftop tent. We could put fishing poles up there, snowboards, without taking away all our luggage spaces back there. There you guys have it. This is how you install a KB VOODOO high-rise crossbar. There wasn't any instructions included, so hopefully I did it right. Alright guys, hope you liked this video. Leave a comment down if you have any questions on the crossbars, and we'll see you on the next one.